If you want to cancel your Postmates free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation process easily. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Find subscription information. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions, Membership, or Postmates Unlimited. This section contains details about your current subscription status and trial period. Step 4. Cancel the free trial. Once you locate your subscription details, there should be an option to cancel subscription or end trial. Tap on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Postmates regarding the cancellation. This ensures that your free trial has been successfully terminated and you won't be charged. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Postmates free trial. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Postmates customer support for assistance.